my name is Danielle and welcome to Elementary School End of Unit Assembly.
Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch our assembly.
Before we start, Mr. Broom would like to say a few words.
Hi, Elementary School at GSIS. Welcome to our pre-recording of our assembly, our celebration assembly for all the learning that has occurred in our most recent unit for pre-K all the way to grade 5. I would like you to sit back, enjoy, listen to how reflective, how open-minded, the knowledge that our students have learned over this most recent unit and how they have been principled in doing that and balanced as well. So just engage, be a part of what's going on. And I'm really hoping soon that we can get back onto that stage for you to do this in person and for you to have an audience. And we can't wait for that. But however, during this time, it's been great that you've put these assemblies together. Thank you to all the teachers who've taken their time to be flexible, creative in putting your classes work together in such a wonderful way that we can celebrate as a school community together. So sit back, relax, and what can I say? Enjoy the show.
Thank you, Mr. Broom, for your encouraging words.
Before we start the videos, let's pray. Dear Lord, thank you that we can have assembly, however, in a video. The corona cases are increasing, and please let us healthy and safe in this school, GSIS. Amen.
Thank you, Danielle, for leading us in prayer. Now you see the presentations from each class. We hope you enjoy.
Emmy, what do you like to do outside? What do you like to play? Ian, what do you like to eat? Chizuko, what do you like to do at home? Can you find the feet? The head. Where's their head? Where are the ears? Where's their mouth? Yeah. How many eyes do they have?
2.
How many hands do they have?
Two.
Jonathan, what color are your eyes?
Green.
Kaito, what color are your eyes?
Black.
What color is your hair, Kaito?
Black.
Jonathan, what color is your hair?
Brown.
We will be learning about interest and idea. Interest is what we like.
What is an idea?
Idea what we know.
Are they the same?
No.
How are they different?
Because interest is what we like and idea is what we think.
Can you give me some example? What is your interest?
My interest is Minecraft Lego and just Minecraft games.
Then what is your idea?
My idea is play Minecraft every day.
That's your idea.
We found out that interest is our friend. Adele. Ideas can grow when we work with others. We play team games. We built houses with Lego. We solved problems. We practiced communicator skills. We learned teamwork. Once we learn about transportation, why it is used, and how it helps the community, we wanted to design our own transportation that would help the GSIS community. We made a toy and sticker tricycle to deliver fun toys and stickers to kinder and grade 3. We wanted to make them happy and give them some entertainment. A mail trike to deliver notes to people. We wanted to be kind and make people smile.
Made a hot chocolate tricycle to deliver hot chocolate to Mr. Boom, Mr. Lush, and others. We wanted to spread joy and make people feel warm because winter is cold.
Pokemon Trike to deliver Pokemon bookmarks to grade 3 and one of your friends. We wanted to make people happy and give them something to help them when they are reading.
Jay. We're in second grade.
And we're sharing our last unit of inquiry, and it's called Lifestyles Are Impacted by Where People Live.
Made class airplane. We flew to Mexico, Russia, and Egypt.
And we learned the languages, the stuff that they make, and the food.
Hello, my name is Yella, and I'm gonna teach you about Japan. Japan looks like this on the earth, and the food is sushi, and and the clothing are a kimono. I just draw the girls and because I don't know the boys are. The language is Japanese. The animal is a manga. The Hakaji is snow rabbit. The weather are for season and the flag is just like two colors.
Hello, my name is Anil, and I research about Chile. And Chile's language is Spanish, and they eat food, and the food name is cazuela and rico. And Chile's hobbies are sandboarding and soccer, and the animal is penguins, flamingos, and frogs. This is the Chile's flag, and this is the Chile's map. Bye.
Hello, my name is Hanako. This is my friend. And this is my mama. And this is Nigerian. And this is language is French. And the food name is quiche and baguette.
Dried meat,
Johnny,
crackers,
vegetable, and the animal is a fox, and the boy is playing a volleyball. This Eiffel Tower, and this is my flag. Bye.
Hello, my name is Yuju, and I learn about Sweden. And this is the country of Sweden, and this is the Sweden's flag. And bluebird and cheetah and Arctic fox and bear and wolverine is living in Sweden. And the meatball is when people eat in Sweden. And ski and bandy is hobby from Sweden. And in Sweden, we speak Swedish. Thank you.
Wow, what a beautiful celebration of learning. I couldn't agree more. We were supposed to celebrate this before lunar break, but unfortunately we went online. However, we will still like to celebrate a bit of a Chinese culture.
Miss Amanda Yang collaborated with our Chinese families here in our elementary school, and they prepared an amazing video.
Wow, I'm so excited.
Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Yan, grade 1 student Ayana Liu's mom. I came from Beijing, China, where the Winter Olympics are being held right now. Your teacher told me many of you are interested in the Chinese culture. So today, I'm going to introduce you the most important traditional Chinese holiday, and we call this holiday 春节. 春节 literally means Spring Festival. Others also call it the Chinese New Year or the Lunar New Year. Different names, but the same day. Spring Festival is the first day of the Chinese Lunar Year, which is based on the lunar calendar, and it is usually in January or February. The earliest Spring Festival recorded was on January 21st in 1966, and the latest Spring Festival was on February 20th in 1985. Do you know why Chinese people celebrate the Spring Festival? Because ancient China was an agriculture country. People would like to celebrate the end of the long, cold winter and the coming of a warmer, productive new season. People bid farewell to the old, bad, unfortunate things and wish to have the harvest new year. So it is the most important holiday for Chinese people. No matter how far away they are or how busy they are, people always try to return to their ancestral homes. Nowadays, people also prefer to have a family trip traveling to other places and celebrate the Spring Festival together. This year, 2022, we know it as the Year of Tiger, right? Why? You might have known the zodiac from your Korean class. Yes, China uses the same 12 animals to name each year as well. The animals are mouse, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, sheep, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. And this year, 2022, is the year of tiger. So if some of you were born in 2010, which was the last year of tiger, and if your birthday is after February 14th, your zodiac is tiger. See what the students in the after-school Chinese culture class learned about the year of tiger. They made the tiger origami and wrote the Chinese character for tiger, which is hu. So, besides China, what other countries also celebrate the Lunar New Year? There are Korea, Australia, Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and Vietnam. A fun thing is, for some of those countries, the Lunar New Year is in winter, but for others, it is in summer. Let's see how people prepare for the celebration of Chunjie. The preparation started when Chunjie is approaching. People are busy at purchasing goods, cooking traditional food, and cleaning the house. Also, write and post the Spring Festival couplets. Writing and posting couplets is one of the folk customs of Spring Festival. Couplets are written on red papers and pasted on the gate to express people's good wishes of avoiding evil spirits and eliminating disasters. We also cut and post a full character, and in many places you can see the full character is posted upside down, and we call this as 福到了, which has an implied meaning. 到 in Chinese means upside down or to come. So the upside down 福 means the happiness has come. Now I'm going to talk about the Spring Festival Eve. We call it 除夕. The Spring Festival Eve is very important for Chinese people. Family usually have a dinner together, which is the main activity and a deep tradition during Chunjie. The dinner is very sumptuous with chicken, fish, and various meats served to celebrate the harvest in the coming year. China is a very big country, so the Spring Festival Eve meal in northern China is quite different from that in the south part. In the south, most people eat rice cakes. In the north, however, it is necessary to have dumplings. Dumplings represent reunion and goodwill. The pronunciation of dumplings in Chinese is 饺子, similar to the word 交子, which means the new year replaces the old one. The whole family gathers together to enjoy quality family time. Let's see more about the Spring Festival Eve. 守岁, which means people stayed up late on that night, with the whole family sitting together, having some snacks and chatting. Some of them also sit in front of the television to watch the Spring Festival Gala and count down together. Setting off firecrackers adds a celebratory atmosphere, though setting off firecrackers will cause environmental pollution and sometimes accidents. These days, people don't set off firecrackers very much in order to protect the environment and reduce the risk of injury. Now, let's watch a video to tell you why Chinese people post the couplets and set off firecrackers during Spring Festival.
Have you ever wondered why we use firecrackers? We are red and have parades on New Year's Day? The reason starts with a legend that tells of the New Year's Day a long time ago. The legend tells of a ferocious monster that would come and terrorize a village on the first new moon of the first month of the year. That was New Year's Day then. The people would flee to the mountains to get away from the monster, whose name was Nian. One year, an old man discovered that Nian was afraid of loud noises, fire, and the color red. On New Year's Eve, the villagers hung red couplets on their houses. The villagers dressed all in red. When Nian came, the villagers set off the firecrackers. Nian fled the village, never to be seen ever again. That is why, to this day, people dress in red and set off fireworks and firecrackers and hang red decorations, just in case Nian ever comes back.
What an interesting folk story, isn't it? So let's see how to celebrate the Spring Festival. The Spring Festival is not just a one-day celebration, but starts on the first day and ends on the 15th day of the Chinese New Year. Usually on the first day, people dress in new clothes, visiting and paying New Year greetings to each other. We call this 拜年. When the children pay New Year's greeting to their elders, the elders give them red packet with the money inside. And this money is called 压岁钱, which means lucky money, showing the good wishes to the children. During the 20 holidays, many kinds of celebrations are held as well. One of them is Temple Fair. Temple Fair are also known as Temple Market. It's usually be held near temple, and that's why it's called the Temple Fair. Though the earliest temple fair involved sacrificial activities, nowadays there are more performance and folk activities. People sing and dance, blowing sugar-coated figures, folk performance, and lantern exhibitions. There are something cannot be missed are dragon dance and lion dance. Dragons represent good fortune. Legends tell Chinese people that dragons bring rain and harvest as well as peace, and dragons are powerful. Chinese people call ourselves the hair of the dragon, so people dance in dragon costumes to pray for those things. Another celebration is the Lantern Festival. Let's talk about it more here. Lantern Festival is usually on the 15th day of the Chinese New Year and the last day of the Spring Festival. On that day, the first full moon of the new year comes up. People eat sweet rice dumplings, which is called yuanxiao or tangyuan, enjoying watching the moon, setting off firecrackers, and guess the lantern riddles. Well, now I'm gonna show you a very famous greeting song people sing for Chunjie, which is called 恭喜恭喜. That means congratulations.
每条大街小巷，每个人的嘴里，见面第一句话就是恭喜恭喜，恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀，恭喜恭喜恭喜你。冬天一到尽头，真是好的消息，温暖的春风就要吹醒大地。恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀，恭喜恭喜恭喜你。好好冰雪融解，眼看梅花吐蕊，漫漫长夜过去， 听到一声急停。恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀！恭喜恭喜恭喜你！经过多少困难，历经多少磨练，多少心儿盼望，盼望新的消息。恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀！恭喜恭喜恭喜你！恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀！恭喜恭喜恭喜你！恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀！恭喜恭喜恭喜你！恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀！恭喜恭喜恭喜你！
What a lovely song. I hope you would like to greet your friends with this 恭喜恭喜. Well, if you want to use more Chinese words to greet your friends, let's learn some now. How to say hello in Chinese? It's 你好. And if you greet in the morning, you can say 早上好. 谢谢 means thanks. When someone say 谢谢 to you, you can answer them 不客气. When you say goodbye to someone, you say 再见. Let's repeat it one more time. 你好，早上好，谢谢，不客气，再见。Some girls from grade 1, grade 2, and grade 4 want to share their New Year greetings to all the GSS community.
Happy Chinese New Year！ 春节好，虎年大吉，恭喜发财，新年快乐 ！Happy New Year！ 万事如意，May all your wishes come true。
Wow, such sweet greetings. Are you wondering what they are talking about? Let's see the greetings here. 新年快乐 Happy New Year. 恭喜发财 Wish you prosperity and wealth. 万事如意 May all your wishes come true. And 虎年大吉 means good fortune in the year of tiger. Wish all of you the best in the year of tiger. Thank you for watching. 新年快乐 Bye.
That was outstanding. Oh wait, do you remember we challenged 2 teachers to learn some Hindi words?
Yes, that was Miss Jillian and Miss Sungmin. Let's watch the videos.
नमस्ते मेरा नाम संगमिन ली है शुक्रिया
नमस्ते मेरा नाम मिस जिलियन है शुक्रिया
And let's see who is going to do the challenge next time in Chinese.
First, Mr. Corliss for 4C and Mr. Mayer from 5N.
Okay, next.
I can't wait to see these two speak some Chinese.
Okay, 1. Bina from 5M. Oh, okay. R.A.K. from 4C.
Now let's see what Chinese words they need to learn.
How to say hello in Chinese? It's 你好. And if you greet in the morning, you can say 早上好. 谢谢 means thanks. When someone say 谢谢 to you, you can answer them 不客气. When you say goodbye to someone, you say 再见. Let's repeat it one more time. 你好，早上好，谢谢，不客气，再见。
Ethan, do you remember the sprint video?
Yes, our Little Knights TV crew interviewed Mr. Broom.
Yeah, I wonder who's going to be next.
Let's find out by watching the video.
Hello everyone, my name is Prashasi and welcome back to Sprint episode number 2. Today we have Miss Esther as our teacher. And Miss Esther, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, then your time starts now. When were you born?
1989, March 21st.
Why do you want to be a teacher?
Because I wanted to work with children.
How many siblings do you have?
1.
What sport do you dislike the most?
Dislike? Baseball.
How many languages do you speak and what are they?
2.5.
What is
Korean, English, and Spanish.
What is your favorite drink?
Bubble water.
What did you want to be when you were in high school?
Interior designer.
What is your favorite lunch?
Pizza.
What was your favorite subject in high school?
History.
What was your favorite song?
Right now?
Yeah.
Justin Bieber, Ghost.
What would you do when the pandemic is over?
Can you repeat that one more time?
What would you do first when the pandemic is over?
Travel.
What is your best dream ever?
I was flying.
What is your favorite animal?
Puppy.
When was the first time you got in trouble?
In middle school.
And that's time. Thank you, Miss Esther, for being our teacher today. Bye. By the way, Miss Esther, why did you get in trouble?
I threw clays at my teacher.
That was pretty fun. But unfortunately, this is the end of the assembly.
That's right. But we hope you enjoyed.
Thank you
and
감사합니다 and have a great day. Bye.